Hello everyone! Today I'm going to make the first 2 pages of my scrapbook. I found a nice sheet of paper with a frame made of roses and decided to use it in my scrapbook. The paper was 30 by 30 centimeters, which was too big for my album, that's why I cut some pieces of the frame to reduce the size I needed, which is now 23 by 23 centimeters. I am simply gluing pieces together using my cutting board to align the pieces properly. After gluing the pieces together, I am covering the area of alignment with roses cut out of the same frame. Now I need to attach the paper for background. After it's done, I'm decorating the page further. I want to create nice layers of paper to put a year of when the photos were taken. I use die cuts and elements from my paper stock to get nice layers, but if you don't have either of them, just cut rectangles of different sizes and glue them on top of each other. Now I'm going to decorate the second page. First of all, I look at my paper stock to see what I can use for decorations and cut out everything possible. For example, here I cut this borderline from the same paper sheet I used for the background. It has different pattern and slightly different color, but matches the page perfectly. Before attaching my flowers, I glued a piece of chipboard sheet to them to create a nice volume effect. It is useful to put pieces together before gluing to the sheet to see right alignment. The ruler is a good tool to check if I'm attaching everything evenly. I made this tag myself. I just cut suitable size of paper, punched the hole with regular puncher and tied the ribbon through it. Some more flowers. This frame is also cut out of the sheet of paper from the same set. I glued some pieces of chipboard underneath to create more volume. I'm going to decorate the frame with flowers and leaves. If you don't have a die cutting machine, you can easily cut leaves out of paper with scissors. In the center of my page, I'm going to have a picture. I'm using chipboard again to add volume. I'm adding more flowers and leaves. All flowers in this scrapbook are handmade. Some flowers were made using a die cutting machine, the rest is simply made by drawing the flower on a piece of paper and cut it using scissors. I'm adding some butterflies to complete this page. I like the idea of movement that they create on any scrapbook layout. In the next video, I will present the next 2 pages. Thank you for watching!